Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to our Business Ethics and Social Responsibility class. So, today we are going to discuss the performance task that you're about to submit before everything will end for this semester, or shall I say, for this school year for you guys, grade 12 Fasholi. So, are you ready? Okay, so let me discuss to you the instructions on the things that I am expecting you to submit, before or during that. So without further ado, let me introduce to you our activity or our task for Business Ethics and Social Responsibility class, the creation of poster on the policy on banning of single-use plastics in DCC. So this is a new school policy that was implemented since April 1, 2024 to the whole DCC community in support of the institutional action research activities entitled Youth-Led Adopt a Community Action Research Project, kung tawagin nating YAKAP on plastic waste management and mangroves protection into real Davao City. So some of you have heard about this. This study was implemented or was being gathered. The data was being gathered in Barangay Lizada and Barangay Dalyao, particularly in the area where the sea meets the ground or the sea meets the the ground or the shore of Dalyao and Lisada. So doon ginawa ang studying yan. No, in fact, I'm one of the researchers of this study, and that is also one of the reasons why we would like tayo Pasoli, tayo ABM students, I would like you guys to really support this advocacy or this policy of our school, because hindi talaga madaling gawin, no, ang paggawa ng bagong pulisiya na kahit na alam natin na maganda ang policy na ito at marami itong benepisyo na mabibigay sa atin, hindi lamang isang desisyon or hindi lamang for marketing purposes or pakitang tao purposes sa ating stakeholders, but also as citizens of this world, no? Because damay-damay na tayong lahat, no? Kasi maraming basura, maraming hayop ang hindi maraming basura sa oceans natin, hindi na sila nakakalangoy ng maayos, hindi na sila nabubuhay ng maayos. Tayo rin ay apektado dahil wala na tayong maaani na mga isda or na mga alimangon, na mga pasayan, no, na itik sa sustansya. So, I would like you guys to support this advocacy. That is why this performance task requires you to create a poster about our new policy. So this policy envisions to lessen the SUP or the single-use plastics produced by the school, no? Produced by our students, produced by the employees, produced by our visitors when we have events, or even produced by our parents as they visit us here in our school. And these garbage were dumped in our garbage bins and or even around the campus. No, if you have observed, when there are activities, when there are mga field demonstrations, when there are culminations, observe the surroundings, and there are lots of garbage. No, so as much as possible, we want to extend our help, no, hindi talaga natin yan talagang magawa dahil we are all so busy rin sa ating mga gawain. So through poster making or through posters, we can spread the news or spread the info about this new policy with the hope that everyone will really cooperate and will really do their best as well, because as decisions, we are known to be disciplined individuals, and aside from that, we are known to be persons or people with integrity. Tayo po ang nagpalabas ng policy na ito. So tayo po ang unang susunod sa policy na ito. So may our posters be a reminder for everyone, not only to our students, but to everyone who will come here in DCC, especially for our enrollees. I will try my best to craft a letter to allow us to post our posters for a span of a month, no? I will ask the admin na hayaan tayong mag-post ng ating posters na kahit graduate na kayo, mananatili po ang inyong posters na nakasabit as remembrance sa school. And with that, our visitors or our parents, our enrollees will be informed of this policy, and as early as the enrollment time, they will now be we will now be changing or anong tawag dyan, changing their mindsets about bringing plastics here inside our school. No? So as advocates of ethics and social responsibility, we will be creating a poster informing everyone of the policy's purpose and its importance. So we will be creating an infographic poster. So maraming type ng poster, but what we're going to create is an infographic poster. Hindi lang siya about text or about information. There should also be data, or meron ding graph, merong pictures na nakalagay dyan. It would be nice if your poster is based on research, no? So again, the YAKAP research, ito pong sinasabi nating Youth-Led Adapt a Community Action Research Project. This is centered on studying plastics, or the volume of plastics floating in our Philippine oceans. No, so if you can give statistics or data, may it be in a pie graph or in a bar graph, in a line graph, in a Gantt chart, anong klaseng graph ang gagamitin based on your findings. Let's say may article na nagsabi na 68% are coming sa garbage ng buong mundo are coming from the Philippines, mga ganon. No, so it would be nice, it would really support your claim, or it would really support our policy, our new policy, and we are hopeful that we can change the mindset of the readers of that poster. So allow me to introduce to you the layout. Before the layout, okay. So before the layout, allow me to identify to you what are the single-use plastics. By the way, I will give a copy, or I will send Gwen a soft copy of the memo from the president about the policies for you to be guided, so that you can also incorporate the information that you can read from the policy to your poster if you want. Okay, so SUPs can be cellophane, disposable food containers and bags, single-use water bottles, yung sa mineral water natin, plastic straws, stirrers sa mga coffee, Milo, styrofoam, yung sa mga project natin as backdraft or as ginagawa nating planets, no? Yun siya, yung mga styrofoam. Plastic cups, yan, that is also included kasi that is a single use. Wala naman sa atin yung nagre-recycle na gagamitin pa rin ito as a cup, no, na pag-iinuman ng tubig or ng juice. So that is included. Sachets, just like our Milo, our coffee, our wala naman nagdadala siguro ng shampoo dito, no? So mostly it's about it's related to food garbage. Next is disposable cutlery, or yung spoon and fork natin na plastics, no? Let's say Christmas party, let's say merong nag-birthday, so magdadala ng disposable cutlery na made of plastics. So these are the things that we need, or that are cited to be part of the SUP, no? So pakatandaan po. So gagawa tayo ng poster na magbabawal sa mga plastics na ito. Okay? So with the layout, there are only two sides that I'm very particular. Okay? Pag very particular tayo dito, wala nang ibang ilalagay dito, kundi itong mga information lang talaga. First, at the top of your poster, it should have the title of the policy. Okay? The title of the policy. At the bottom part of your poster, you should mention or you should put there the word designed by, tapos the alphabetical order of the last names of the students who created the poster. For example, Agad and Ibani. At the bottom part of your poster, it should have the names of the creators or designers. Okay? So, ano-ano pa yung mga ibang bagay na dapat makita natin, no? Doon sa poster ninyo na kayo na ang bibigyan ng chance to become more creative. Okay? Number 1 is the school's logo. Do not forget that this is a policy made by the school, so dapat may school's logo tayo. Next, ang Basic Education Department's logo, meaning tayo sa Department of Basic Education Department ay supportive sa policy na yan. Okay, next is, do not forget the color scheme ng school natin, which is yellow, more on green, gold, and pwede tayong gumamit ng red a little, no? Kasi tatlo talaga yan siya noon pa. And then we have white din nakasali dyan sa color scheme, no? So, information about the policy. What is the policy all about? Bakit natin gagawin to? Sino ba yung beneficiaries nito? Ano bang magandang maidudulot ng policy na ito? Okay? Tapos, when we are going to craft a policy, especially related to social responsibility, let us not forget to connect our policy or our activity to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs. Okay, so with the policy na, anong tinatawag natin dyan, Policy on Banning of Single-Use Plastics in DCC, ano ang SDG na mabanggaan nato or na ma-reach nato because of this policy, no? So, marami yan. I think there are 17 SDGs. Please do explore the Google for that. Okay, then call to action. What is call to action? Meaning buy now, register now, or encourage everyone to do the same or to follow or to support the policy. That's your call to action statement. Okay? So, tagline or slogan about the policy. Pwede kayong gumawa ng tagline or slogan about the policy. No? So, hindi naman talaga siya required, pero, again hindi talaga required si tagline, no? Ako lang siyang i-button. Dili na siya required good, but if you wish to create a tagline or a slogan about the policy, instead of call to action, you can do so. Kasi si call to action can sound like a slogan, no? Parang, use cream silk after every shampoo. No? So, hindi niya sinasabing, use now. No? Kasi the usual call to action is parang 2 words lang yan. Or, be part of us. Or, register now. Enroll now. So, yun yung mga typical call to action. But, if you are creative, no, more creative, and if you want to create a statement that doesn't sound like a call to action, like hindi masyadong nakaka-pressure, you can create a slogan or a tagline, no? Yun yung example ko, or we find ways, or unsa ba na siya kan maingon ana nga tagline, but it's about the policy it's about the policy, it's not about DCC, it's about the policy in DCC. Then yung font style natin is depende sa inyo as designers of the poster. Okay, so font styles, pwedeng gamitin yung DCC font, pwedeng maging creative pa, pwedeng, basta wag lang yung masyadong quirky, masyadong curly yung kuan, masyadong edgy, parang may dugo-dugo na parang horror na talaga or what, no? So, creativity counts, no? So, kayo na yung bahala sa font styles ninyo, pati font size ninyo. I will not limit you or I will not give any restriction about it. So, just do your thing about the font styles. As designers, you already know what to do. Then, poster size, it is in inches form because lampas kasi siya ng 1 foot ang inyong width, no? Which is 14 inches, no? Kaya in-inches ko na lang. But during your printing time, you can convert it into foot, no? So, 14 inches meaning the width will be 1 foot and 2 inches. So, it could be like that. Then, 48 inches yung height natin. So, be mindful of the size, ha? Because we don't like na may iba-ibang sizes tayo. Okay? And yes, this will be the things that I am expecting to see in the poster. So, pumili rin ng magandang kulay kasi there are many color green. Na, maraming color green. So, anong kulay ng DCC pala as green? So, choose wisely. No? So, I'm excited to judge again another poster making activity, no? So, yun siya ito yung mga nakapaloob sa ating poster. Then this will be the groupings. Okay, we have 10 groups but are properly divided this time. Some were given 6 members, some were given only 5 members. Okay? So, number 1 or group 1 is composed of Verinia, De La Rosa, Lubrigas, Apare, and Morales. Morales na for a while ha. Let me look for the name of J. I think hindi ko nalagay si J. And now I see. Wait. Ang nandito sa group 1, it's J. Morales, ang part ng group 1. Okay, ang nandito sa kopya ko. Then group 2, it's composed of Bustamante, Echihar, Niera, Digia, Villacampa, Ibanez, Lemuel. Sorry for the spelling. It's Ibanez, Lemuel. Group 3, Cominador Loli, Nishikido, Manib, Kalagahan. Group 4, Ibanez, Bethany, Bihonatan, Morales, Noel, and Balatero. Group 5, Palahang, Babas, Draganon, Agagio, Gonzaga, and Alonzo. Now, Group 6, Pandacan, Flores, Sumili, Apaw, Solteo, Solteo. Group 7, Solteo, Gulyoso, Catalan, Laborte, Arnado. Group 8, Nim, Octa, Pre, Remonde, Auditor, and Papas. Group 9, Masangya, Aquino, Cuyam, Aga, Janine, Silgas, and Elepante. Group 10, Dicasaran, Asesor, Corneja, Jimenez, and De Leon. Should there be anyone who were not included in the list, please tell me or come to my office so I can edit the list for you guys. Okay? So take a screenshot of these groupings and share this to your classmates. So let's now talk about the deadline. So on May 15, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m., your first draft will be checked by your teacher inside your classroom. No? So last time we had our meetings at 2 p.m. but this time we'll meet at 8 na. No? So that will be the first draft. So I am expecting that on that day, on that time, meron na kayong nagawa. Okay? Kasi I will just give you 10 minutes per group. No? So, kapag tumawag na ako group 1, dapat maipapakita na kayo na draft ninyo. Kasi kapag lumipas na yung 10 minutes, hindi pa kayo nakapag-pa-consult sa akin, wala na po. Group 2 na po yung i-consult ko. Okay? So, this is to practice discipline. By the way, bakit May 15? This is to give you more time about for your research, no? For your research. And hopefully, you are done na with your econ. because at this time, May 15, I think BNSR na lang yung kulang. If you're not done with your values, kasi some of you, nakita ko yung clearance, hindi pa kayo tapos sa values ninyo. So, I hope that you can give more time about it, no? Na makomplete na ninyo yung clearance ninyo para hindi na kayo pabalik-balik sa school, and so that I can also plot my time for signing of clearance. Okay, so May 15, 8 to 10 a.m. tayo. First draft is the requirement. So 10 minutes is given or are given for each of the group, and then kasi we only have 2 hours, we have 120 minutes, right? So for 10 groups, we have 10 minutes for each group. Okay, so the 20 minutes remaining, generic na yun, general instruction na yun siya. Then the second draft will be on May 15 pa rin, but it will be 1 to 3 p.m. yung ating consultation. By the way, during our consultation class, I will not dwell on giving or asking analysis questions like allowing you to realize things in front of me anymore, because it's too time consuming and every one of you will just, or some of you kay magtanga lang when I ask questions, no? So I will immediately give my feedback as you show me. By the way, this is just a soft copy of your poster, ha? But during the final draft, I will require a hard copy na printed sa papel so that I can judge the printed colors. Okay? Then, I will just immediately, during the consultation, I will just immediately give my feedback like, I don't like the green color. It's not the DCCN color. The image is too small, or improve the content, or improve the color scheme. The font is not formal, meaning parang horror poster ang ginawa mo, or it's too cutie ang iyang font, no? So it doesn't fit the theme of the poster or the purpose of the poster. So some enlarge your font, or mga ganun na mga ano. But I will not dwell anymore on bakit nga naman ma'am, unsa di mong buhaton ma'am. I will not answer that question anymore, because kapag magbibigay na ako ng feedback, you should think of solutions. Hindi ako dapat yung tatanungin ninyo. Kasi kayo yung designer, ito yung task na binigay sa inyo. Kasi if you will ask me, what are you going to do? Ako na lang yung gagawa ng task, di ba? Yan. So that will be my style of giving consultations this time, ha? Kasi in your principles of marketing, we ate so much time for the consultation. Yung iba wala namang maisasagot. Bakit ganito yung kulay? Bakit ganito? Sige ratag-ana, no? So sayang atong oras, sayang atong 10 minutes, sayang atong 1 minute for that. Okay, so the third draft, or the third consultation time will be on May 16, 8 to 10 a.m. pa rin, kasi in the afternoon I cannot meet you guys because I have a meeting. Then on May 17, also in the afternoon, I also have a meeting, so I cannot meet you in the afternoon. So May 16, final draft na. Dito na natin kailangan yung printed na poster na ilalagay nyo or piprint nyo sa A4 or long na lang. Sige, long bond paper yung final draft. So I can now judge the color scheme that you chose, no? Kasi many of you pa naman would like to have a color blue na background, color green na background, mga dark colors na background. So, kana siya, muna siya ang mga colors na medyo pangit siya o gawas when it comes to printing of tarpaulins. Okay? So, careful ta na. Dapat dito to sa printing shop nga good og quality good ang iyahang prints, kay daghan sa inyong sa inyong poster sa marketing ang medyo meron tayong minus sa mga ganun, kasi I can see na medyo hindi maganda yung pagkaka-print, no? Kahit hindi nyo kasalanan yon, it's a deduction of points, no? One group sa marketing ang talagang umulit sa pagpaprint ng kanilang poster, kasi initially they said na parang color scarlet or color reddish yung nila, pero hindi dapat ganun. So ano ko, hala, color pa naman is very important to the brand, so I think that will really affect your grades, no? So for them to uh, um to become resilient from that situation, talagang nagpa-print sila, no? Though I did not told them to reprint their tarpaulin, but they did it, no, for the sake of grades, no? So I don't want that to happen anymore. So mag-trial ta sa papel karon og print, no? Mag-trial ta para matistingan nato, and mo na inyong i-submit sa May 16. Mo na tong i-discuss together sa May 16. That will be on Thursday, okay? So May 17 is 8 to 10 a.m. pa rin, posting na tayo niyan. Okay? Wala na tayong consultation. Huwag na kayong maghanap sa akin. Okay? So, posting na tayo niyan. Dito sa, you know naman, the lobby, na I told you that we will be using the lobby, no? So, I will craft pa a letter about it, and hopefully, aabot yung approved letter natin sa May 17, or if not, hopefully sa Monday niyan, kasi May 17 is a Friday, okay? Okay, so this will be the things na dapat nyong i-remember, no? So I hope you took a screenshot on the pages that are very important, and please do not skip the video because maraming information na dito ko sa middle sinasabi, no? So hindi nyo na yan maririnig kung na-skip ninyo, and you need to replay everything kapag may na-skip kayo. Okay, so I suggest that you will be patient in listening for my voice, no, for pila ba, almost 30 minutes. Okay, so at this time, kahit hindi tayo face-to-face na nagklase ngayon, because I know everyone, today is Monday and tomorrow is your final defense in research, everyone is busy, everyone is thinking of preparing for the research defense. I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone in grade 12 Pasholi for being so cooperative in our projects, in our activities, for being helpful, not only here, not only in our institutional activities, intersection, interstrand activities, but also as DCCians na mag-complete ani na poster or ani na task, no? So siguro 1 month lang nato ni masabit ang inyong poster, pero I hope that this will bring a mark, no, in the eyes of our readers or in the minds of the users of these posters, and even to the DCC administration. Thank you so much, Pasholi. I regret to to conduct a class today, no, because we are not complete. But I am very thankful that I'm one of your teachers, and for some of you, I became one of your advisors, no, in your basic education life, no. Some of you are from my advisory class in grade 11 Forbes, and some of you are from Kotler na dumaan sa akin kahit ilang araw or ilang weeks lang yon during that time, no, nung kayo ay nasa grade 11 pa. So, I hope to see you around, no? I hope to see you during our consultations. I'm hoping for a 100% attendance, no? During our consultation, kasi just like your marketing, natagalan po ako sa pag-compute ng inyong attendance kasi hindi complete yung attendance. So, hopefully, dito is makomplete na natin kasi each of the kaning attendance ninyo guys, kay naa ni siya 20 points. Okay? So, naa ni siya 20 points. And of course, ang kanang 20 points, appeal na siya sa imuhang interaction sa 10 minutes nga mag-istorya ta as a group na. Dapat, dili lang ang isa ang sigig istorya, dili lang po ang isa ang sigig istorya. Tanan mo tingog, kay dili man ta kahoy, nga magpakahoy-kahoy lang. Ha? So, we are given by Lord, by our good Lord, no, with brains and creativity for us to speak out our ideas and insights. No? So, sana sa last natin na performance task, bigyan nyo ito ng importansya. No? let's end with a bang. Yan yung sinasabi nila. So I'm hoping everyone to be present during our consultation time up to our posting time. Okay? So at this point then, let me call on the attention of Niera and Okta to come visit in my office because I have something very important to say. I think that would be all, and see you around, guys. Thank you so much.